just turn your brightness all the way up so you can't see any acne. That's how you get rid of it. Hey guys, it's me Maya again. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new, and today I'm going to be showing you a DIY. I haven't said that word in a really long time. The last time I said DIY was probably when I was 12. Anyways, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a face mask that you can easily make quickly at home. That is really good for acne and other skin problems. I don't think there's a video in my entire channel that doesn't have like a family member of mine being really loud. There it goes again. I know I'm looking really rough right now. Yeah, that's because I don't have any makeup on and my skin's not doing too good, so I thought it'd be the perfect time to make this video because, ooh, see, that side's really bad. Let's just cover that up with my hair. So yeah, sorry I'm looking really ugly right now. This mask is super easy to make, and a lot of the ingredients you should have at home, or is really easy to access. So yeah, thank you guys so much. Why am I saying bye? So if you are interested, please do subscribe. I try to post weekly, and now that it's summertime, well, it kind of doesn't look like it's summer right now. It's like rainy and disgusting, but I try to, what was I saying? Right, so now that it's summertime, I'm going to try to post as much as I can, and I'm going to be going on my Japan trip in like 2 days, which is crazy. So I'm going to be vlogging there. I'm really excited. I hope you guys are too. So if you are interested, please do subscribe so you don't lose me out in the YouTube world, which is probably gonna happen. But make sure if you guys try this face mask out, comment down below and let me know how it goes for you. So yeah. So I deal with a lot of like different skin problems. My main problem is I have a lot of acne, but like my skin is also really dry, which is really hard to find like the right products for, because a lot of the times acne is associated with oily skin, which I really don't have oily skin because my skin is like super dry. So then if I use those, my skin gets way too dry. But if I use products that are just like meant for dry skin, my acne usually gets bad because of all the moisture. So this face mask actually is good for both sides. It's good for like any type of skin, like skin type. If you have oily skin, it'll work for you. If you have dry skin, it'll work for you. Combo skin, it'll work for you. So this face mask will work for anybody, but make sure you do a patch test before you try it out. Like just put it on your wrist or like a bit on your chin before you try it out, just in case you have an allergy to some of the ingredients. By the way, sorry if you guys noticed me sounding really weird. I'm still kind of sick, which really sucks because I need to get better as soon as possible. Anyways, let's just get started with the video. So this face mask only needs 2 ingredients, and both these face masks ingredients are really good for your face. So before I start showing you guys how to make it, I'm going to be showing you guys and telling you guys a few of the really good benefits. So the first ingredient you're going to be needing is matcha powder. Matcha is basically powdered green tea. It comes from Japan, and it has really high antioxidants. I believe it has like one of the highest antioxidants out there out of like different foods and stuff. So it's really good, and that is anti-aging, and it also prevents and helps with acne. Yeah, and it's also really good for any type of skin. And then we also have some Manuka honey. I feel like I've talked about Manuka honey a few times on my channel before, but I really love Manuka honey. If you don't have Manuka honey, if you can't get it, I recommend using raw honey. So yeah, because it's better for your face. Manuka honey is from New Zealand. It is a bit pricey, but it's so amazing for your face. It's really good for acne, and it also moisturizes your face, which is amazing for me. And it has a lot of other properties that are really good for your skin. So yeah, oh, I forgot to say, this has really good antibacterial properties, and it's really good for healing your skin. So if you have like acne, it's really good in that way as well, because it helps heal your skin really well. So yeah, yeah, those are the ingredients you need. You can add in some extra ingredients if you know they're going to be good for your face, but that's all I'm going to be adding. It's super easy. So let's get started on making the face mask. So there isn't an exact measurement for this recipe, But all you have to do is take around 4 to 5 parts of Manuka honey and mix it in with around 1 part of matcha powder, and that's about the ratio. So one important part is that you don't use a metal spoon or a metal utensil when adding the Manuka honey, because it affects the power of healing power of the honey. So just don't use a metal spoon. And then add in your matcha powder and mix those two ingredients together until everything is smooth, and that's it. So let's apply this face mask. You want to wash your face and make sure everything's clean. So I just came back from cleansing my face, and that's why it's looking really red right now. And then I also threw on a bit of toner. Right now I've been using this rose water as a toner. I've been liking it a lot. So yeah, so I just threw on a headband. So let's apply this face mask. I just have this brush. I'm just gonna apply it. So hey guys, the face mask is now on. I'm kind of looking like Shrek, but I'm also really liking that. So yeah, now I'm gonna just let that sit for probably around 20 to 30 minutes. So yeah, I'm gonna go edit some videos probably, like maybe just watch some YouTube, and I'll see you guys in a little bit. So hey guys, I just came back from washing my face, and my skin is automatically feeling a lot more smooth and soft, and I will say it didn't get rid of all my acne. Like, I mean, it's still there, but it definitely did like flatten and smooth it out. So yeah, after I use this face mask, I especially see a really big difference like the next day. So what it does basically is it helps speed up your healing process in your skin. So yeah, and the more you use it, the more you start noticing a difference, and the more your acne is going to start fading away and start healing. So it's not really like a one-time thing, but it is pretty easy to do, and it's really quick. So I'd recommend doing it probably around like 3 times a week for the best results. So hey guys, I just wanted to give you guys a quick update. It's been probably a few hours after I removed the face mask, so I just wanted to show you guys how much more clear it was since I took the face mask off. So it sometimes takes a little bit to start working, so yeah. So I just wanted to give you guys a little update. So yeah, thanks so much for watching. Bye guys. So thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I hope you guys found it useful. If you did, don't forget to hit the thumbs up and subscribe. And I am also posting Japan vlogs pretty soon, because I'm going there pretty soon. I'm pretty sure I already said that, but if you are interested, please do subscribe. And I'm also thinking about making just like regular daily vlogs. Like, I'm trying to like practice my vlogging style here, but if you are interested in that, please let me know. Also comment down below if you tried this face mask, like how did it work for you? I'd love to know. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.